Hello friends, today we are going to solve exercise 1.2 of ncert class 12 mathematics for cbse board students. Here our question number 1 is, show that the function defined by fx is equals to 1 upon x is 1 1 and on 2, where r is the set of all non-zero real numbers. Is the result true? If the domain r is replaced by n with codomain being same as r. So solution for these questions. Now we are going to solve question number 1. Here fx is equals to 1 upon x if fx1 is equals to fx2. Therefore 1 upon x1 is equals to 1 upon x2. x1 is equals to x2. Each x belongs to R, has a unique image in codomain. Therefore f is 1 1. Second one is to check onto for each y belonging codomain, then y is equals to 1 upon x or x is equals to 1 upon y. There is unique pre-image of y. Therefore f is onto b1 is when domain r is replaced by n codomain r remaining the same. Then f n represents r if fx1 is equals to fx2. Therefore 1 upon n1 is equals to 1 upon n2. Therefore n1 is equals to n2, where n1 n2 belongs to capital N. Therefore f is 1 1. But for every real number belonging to codomain may not have a pre-image in n. Example, 1 upon 2 is equals to 3 upon 2 does not belongs to capital N. Therefore f is not onto. Hence we have proved that f is not onto. So question number 2 says that Check the injectivity or surjectivity of the following functions. First one is f function n is given by fx is equals to x square. So solution for this. Now we are going to solve question number second. First here fx1 is equals to fx2 function x2 f represent function here. X1 square is equals to x2 square. X1 is equals to x2. Therefore f is 1 1, that is it is injective. It is injective. Now b1, b says that f z function z given by fx is equals to x square. Solution for this. There are such numbers. There are such numbers. There are such numbers. Such members of codomain which have no image, in domain and domain and example 3 belongs to codomain capital N, but there is no pre-image in domain of f. Therefore f is not onto. That is not surjective. Not surjective. Not surjective. This is our question number 1. We have first हम इंजेक्टिव को दिखाया, उसके बाद सर्जेक्टिव को. We have completed our question number 1. Now we are going to question number 2 का second. F function z given by fx is equals to x square. Now we are going to solve question number second. Second का second function z is equals to z given by fx is equals to x square. F minus 1 is equals to f1 function 1 is equals to 1. Therefore minus 1 and 1 have the same image. Therefore f is not 1 2, not 1 1. That is not इंजेक्टिव. इंजेक्टिव को हम लोग 1 1 बोलते हैं और सर्जेक्टिव को 1 2 बोलते हैं. That is not injective. Question number B. Sorry, it's a B part. To check onto, that is surjective. To check surjective, there are many such elements belonging to codomain have no pre-image in its codomain. That is capital Z integer. Example 3 belongs to codomain Z, but under root 3 does not belongs to domain Z of F. Therefore, F is not onto. That is not surjective. Not surjective. The third one is function R relates to R given by fx is equals to x square. A1 is f is not 1 1 since f minus 1 is equals to f function 1 is equals to 1 is equals to 1 minus 1. So here question number third question says that fr relates to r given by fx is equals to x square. Hence minus 1 and 1 have the same image, that is f is not injective. Now b1 to check surjective minus 2 belongs to codomain r of f, but under root minus 2 does not belong to domain r of f. Therefore f is not onto, that is f is not surjective. Now question number 4 or question number 4 says that f n relates to n given by fx is equals to x cube. Here we are going to solve question number 4. F n relates to n given by fx is equals to x cube. A1 fx1 is equals to function x2. Therefore x1 cube is equals to x2 cube is equals to x1 is equals to x2. That is for every x belongs to capital N has a unique image in its codomain. Therefore f1 is 1 1. It is injective. Now b1, there are many such members of codomain of f have no preimage in its domain. For example 2 comma 3 etc. These members of codomain have no image in its domain. Therefore f is not onto, that is F is not surjective. Not surjective. Fifth, question number fifth. Here, question number fifth is given that f z relates to z given by fx function x is equals to x cube. So our solution for this type of question is f function z relates to z given by fx is equals to x cube. Here also fx1 is equals to fx2. x1 cube is equals to x2 cube. Therefore x1 is equals to x2. Here x1 is equals to x2. Therefore f is 1 1. That is, it is injective. Therefore f is 1 1. 1 1. That is, it is injective. That is, it is injective. Injective. Now b1 is many members. Many members of codomain. Codomain of f do not have do not have pre-image pre-image in its pre-image in its domain. Image in its domain. In its domain. Example: to belonging to its domain has not pre-image has not pre-image in its domain. Image in its domain. In its domain. Example: to belonging to its domain has not pre-image in its domain object. Therefore f f is not surjective. Is not surjective. Is not surjective. Now we are moving to further question number 3. Prove that greatest integer. Here question number 3 says that prove that the greatest integer function f r relates to r given by fx function x is equals to x is neither 1 1 or 1 2, where x denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x. Solution for question number 3. Solution for question number 3. Function r relates to r given by fx function f is equals to square bracket x. Now function 1.2 is equals to 1. Fx 1.5 is equals to 1. Therefore f is not 1 1. F is not 1 1. Now B part. All the images of x belongs to R belonging to its domain have integers as the images in codomain but no fraction. but no fraction. Proper or improper? Proper or improper? Improper. Belonging to codomain. To codomain of F has any preimage preimage in its domain. Hence, F is not onto. F is not onto. So यहाँ तक क्वेश्चन नंबर थर्ड हम लोगों ने कंप्लीट कर लिया. इफ़ यू लाइक प्लीज सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड शेयर टू योर फ्रेंड्स. कोई आगे अगले वीडियो में क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 से स्टार्ट करेंगे हम लोग. तब तक के लिए धन्यवाद. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग and be like this video and share with your friends. Thank you everyone.